T the Handyman here. This is my good friend Leonard. He's our new puppy. Leonard, as a puppy does, likes to chew on stuff. He chewed on my daughter's hair straightener. We're going to try to fix that today. Leonard chewed right through the cord, but we still can't find the old plug. So we think he may have chewed it enough to swallow it. I guess we'll see if it comes out in his poop. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut off the cord that is unusable. That's fairly easy, and then we're going to separate the two wires in the straightener cord by taking a cutting blade and slicing the cord. The way I'm going to do this is very carefully. I'm going to take a cutting blade and I'm going to cut right through the center of the cord casing. I'll be doing the cutting on a cutting board for stability. We want to make a cut long enough so we can use it. And then we are going to connect this new plug. So if we take this screw out, you can see the inside of the new plug. If you look closely, you will see that one of the plug blades is a bit wider than the other blade. The wider blade is going to be the neutral side, which normally would be the white wire. And the other is going to be the power side, which is normally the black wire. After cutting the casing, we discovered that we have a white wire and a brown wire. We can easily assume the brown wire is going to be our power wire. So we're going to take a little bit of the insulation off the brown wire, and then I'm going to do the same on the white wire. Then we're going to turn these copper wires around and get them nice and tight, and then we're going to attach the white wire to the bigger blade, and we're going to attach the brown wire to the thin blade. So I'll finish attaching the wires and I'll show you what it's going to look like. We've got the white wire right now and we've got it attached to the fatter blade. We've taken the copper wire and we've wrapped it around the screw, so when we tighten the screw, it will secure completely around the screw. And then on this side, we have done this exact same thing. This is the thinner blade, the power side. And we've taken the wire all around the screw again to make sure that the wire is securely attached to the screw. Now what we are going to do is close this up and tighten the plug screw, and we should be all set. Okay, so we got the new plug in place and we've tightened it up. It's kind of slick how they do this. They actually clamp onto the power cord so it secures the cord to the plug. They make different styles of this type of appliance plug. This one was white, but it also came in black. There are several different styles that I didn't think would do as well for this application. So now we are ready to plug it in. So here's the new plug. As you can see, this socket hole is slightly bigger than the other side, so the plug will not even go in the wrong way. The reason is, if everything is wired properly, the ground circuit will give you proper grounding protection. So obviously, what we're going to do is plug in the proper way. We now have power to the repaired hair straightener. Let's turn the straightener on. Yay, it's working. And it's getting hotter. Give me a thumbs up or a like. If you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.